welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you guys my everyday makeup routine, but I wanted to show you guys what I do more on a daily basis when I do want to get glam. So usually it's only for work. Like if I'm not at work or filming a video, I don't have makeup on. I can't sit there and wear it all the time. And especially since my skin has been getting a lot better, I don't want to put anything on it. So if you guys also want to see an updated skincare routine, let me know down below. Yeah, anyways, if you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Give this video a big thumbs up if you're excited, and let's get into my everyday makeup routine. Alright, so today we're in my bathroom because this is like where I normally get ready, so I thought I would film it in here. So I'm just putting my hair like behind my ears just to get out of my face. So the very first thing that I do after I moisturize and wash my face is go ahead and put on a little bit of foundation. This is what I've been using a lot recently, but I'm not like as fake tan as I normally am, and this is like my tan foundation. So I'm gonna kind of mix it with this one, and this is the e.l.f. oil-free, I don't know, it's like the e.l.f. foundation, and this is in light ivory, and then this one's in beige. So I kind of mix the two when I'm like in between, like right now. But I really like the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude because it's like super lightweight and it's oil-free, which is great if you have acne prone skin, and like it just looks so natural on the skin. So I really love this foundation. Okay, so as you can see, it just gives me like a really nice base to work with, and I love the coverage because I don't have to do too much concealing. So now I'm going in with my concealer, and this is the Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio in Light, and I love this concealer. It's like literally my favorite drugstore concealer now over every other one that I've tried, and I just picked this up on a whim because I need a new concealer, and it's literally incredible. It covers so well, and like when I was breaking out a lot and I needed all that coverage, this really helped. And a little bit goes a long way, and I love this concealer. It's great. Super creamy. Okay, now to set my face, I'm just using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD powder. This is their translucent powder. I love this stuff. And just a big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna set my face. This is like the only thing that keeps my T-zone not oily, I swear. The only thing I will say about it is if you use too much, like on accident, you can get a little bit of flashback. So you just have to be really careful with that powder. So now I'm going in with my bronzer. I've used this bronzer for like literally a year, I think. It's almost gone. I need to get a new one. But this is the Balm Take Home the bronzer, and I have it in the shade Tony. I don't know if they changed the names of these since I got these. I think they might have, but it's the lightest one. Next, I'm taking this Tarte blush, and this is in the shade Pampered, which is like a really pretty peachy pink. It's a good everyday blush. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that on my cheeks. Okay, now for my highlight, I'm just taking this Bobbi Brown highlighting trio, and this is the Body to Glow palette. And I usually just kind of like mix them all and then use them as a highlight. It's like a peachy, gold, bronzy glow. I don't know, I really like it, and I never just use like one of them. Unless I've used this middle shade for like blush a few times, but it's really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can get like close to my brows so I can show you what I do. So now I'm just taking the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream, and I have this in this shade Taupe Blonde, and I think I've shown this before, but it's a really great cream for your brows. I don't know, I really feel like I like my brows the best when I use this product. And like, don't get me started on the fact that I actually like really need to pluck my eyebrows, because I know I'm just like lazy when it comes to my eyebrows. So that's pretty much it for my eyebrows. They turn out pretty good. They like really match the color of my roots, which is what I tend to go for. Okay, I'm gonna keep you guys zoomed in for my eyes, but lately I actually have been reusing my Persona Cosmetics palette. This is the Identity palette. I've used this for a few years now, and I used to use it a lot because I used to work for them, actually, fun fact. I just recently started using it again, and I'm like re-obsessed with it. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is Charming, and that's this like medium toned matte brown, and I just go ahead and run that in my crease. Wow, that came out a lot darker than I thought it was going to. And then I always keep like a clean, fluffy brush at hand to just blend and buff stuff out. That looks a lot better. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and this is called Maverick, and it's just like a little bit deeper brown. And I just go ahead and put that on the outer part of my eye. I'm not very good at explaining makeup, y'all. I am no makeup artist, let me tell you. And then I'm just taking the same brush, and I didn't put it in like any more product, and I'm just gonna run that along my lower lash line. Okay, and then now I'm going in with this shade right here, and this is called Goddess, and it's just like a deeper goldy brown, but it's shimmery, which I really like. It's like this really pretty like bronzy color. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. And then again, I usually just literally keep reusing the same brushes, don't put any product on it, so that whatever product is left on it will kind of help blend it out, but not add too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Sassy, which is like pretty much all gone, but it is a really light, like shimmery whitish shade. I don't know. I'm horrible at describing colors, y'all. I'm just putting that under my brow bone, and then I'm also gonna pop a little bit of it in my inner corner. So I'd be lying if I said I didn't apply false lashes all the time, because I probably wear them like every single time that I work. I love putting on fake lashes, but the first thing that I do before that is go ahead and put some mascara on, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara, and I love this one so much, y'all. Like, oh, it's such a good mascara. But I'll just go ahead and put a good amount of coats on. I have really light lashes, so this like really helps make them dark so that the false lashes don't look like stupid, you know?
One eternity later.
Okay, so these are the lashes that I literally live by. These are the only ones I pretty much wear, like literally. And these are from e.l.f. and they're the Luxe Lash Kit in Flirtatious. And I just think these are so gorgeous. These are literally the only lashes that I like to wear. So I use the Duo Lash Glue, and this is the dark one just because I like the way it looks, and it kind of makes it look like I have like a darker lash line, which is nice because like I have really light eyelashes. I will just go ahead and apply that to the lash. I don't know if I've ever put lashes on like on camera. All right, let's see. This is like really hard to do on camera, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so moving on to my lips, I have two products that I've been using so much, like literally non-stop, and I always gravitate back towards this lip stain in the spring. I literally think I put this in last year's like spring makeup routine video, but this is the Larizzi Cosmetics, don't know if that's how you say it, but it's their Undressed Lip Stain in the shade Bare. I just like it because it's so long wearing, and it's a stain, which I like a lot better because it feels way lighter on your lips. So I'll just kind of apply like a light layer like that, and you can see it gives a really nice color. But I've also been putting this gloss over top of it, and this is the Anastasia gloss in the shade Freya, and this is such a pretty lip topper. I use it over so many different lip colors, but I especially love it over this one. So that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. I hope you guys like this look. This is literally what I wear to work almost every single time that I go to work. I'll have all my products linked down below. Again, if you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. If you have any video requests, please leave them down below in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.